Out wandering around, found a wild asparagus. And here we got some more asparagus. There, that's an old one. There. Oop, I almost stepped on one. Cool. Wild asparagus. You never know what you'll find when you go out in the woods. Found a bolt, I think, from a crossbow. And anybody missing an AT&T cell phone? Yeah, there we go. Wild asparagus. Yum yum. And here's what they look like when they grow in your own garden. Always make sure you wash the stuff when you bring it in from outside. Then you drop it into boiling water for about 3 minutes. And then it's done. Well, it has been 3 minutes. Turn the stove off. Carefully over to the sink. Pour it into a strainer. Now it's true that a lot of your vitamins are gone in that water. For seasoning, I just use some butter and seasoning salt. And there you go. Butter and a little bit of seasoning salt. Of course, like I said, a lot of the vitamins and stuff went in the water. To remedy that, instead of blanching or boiling them, you could fry them in a pan, cook them on a grill. That way all the vitamins and everything stay right in it. But there you go. Found in the woods, cooked in the kitchen instead of on a campfire, but asparagus. Mmm.